Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 277 channel production error on PC. So let's jump to the solution. The first solution is to clear Roblox logs and temp files. To do so, make sure you close the Roblox completely on your PC. Then press Windows plus R to open run box. In run box type %local app data %. Click OK. Now here look for Roblox folder. Open it. Then right click on logs folder and delete it. Now look for global basic settings _13. Right click on it and select delete to delete it. Now you can launch Roblox and check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then here follow the second solution. The second solution is to disconnect or connect VPN or proxy. If you are connected to any VPN, then disconnect it and then launch the Roblox and check. And if you are not connected to any VPN, then install any repeated VPN on your PC and then connect to VPN and then launch Roblox and check if error code 277 is fixed or not. Third solution is to turn off Windows Defender firewall. To do so, in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Click on System and Security. Click on Windows Defender firewall. Click on Turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Now turn off Windows Defender firewall. To save changes, click on OK. Now we have turned the Windows Defender firewall. Now you can launch Roblox and see error 277 is fixed or not. Also make sure to turn off antivirus program while playing Roblox. If we are using any third-party antivirus program like Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then turn off your antivirus program. And after playing the Roblox game, you can turn on Windows Defender firewall and your antivirus program. So by this way you can fix Roblox error code 277 channel production on Windows PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.